Hi everyone, welcome today. Yesterday on Friday, the last working day, on Friday the 17th, yes, June the 17th, Friday. We have here only two regular Sudokus, and a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. And what's the news of today? Let me show you the news of today. Let me see. Yeah, Friday, June the 17th. Well, this Paul McCartney, 80 years old. Yes, he will be 80 years old. News of the day. Okay. But we have not so good news in this newspaper. We have no additional. Let me show you. No additional. What I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper. And the yesterday's newspaper is Thursday, June the 16th. We have there 9 extra puzzles. Half of them I have solved yesterday, and today I will solve the rest of the puzzles. So 4 puzzles are left. Yeah, no extra puzzles, only 2 of those. Let me bring the yesterday's newspaper. Yes. Yesterday's newspaper on Thursday, June the 16th. Yeah, we have 4 puzzles left. The Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and the binary. So later on I will solve those puzzles. But first we will solve these 2 babies. Yeah, Sudoku Light and the heavy one. Let me focus the puzzle. Alright. And this will be number 4713. 13. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, we have 9 big squares, so, and with 4 printed digits, so 9 times 4 is 36 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional should be easier than the 1 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. So maybe this one faster than 14 or 13 minutes. Okay, but for 1 star, 50 minutes. So let's get started. Alright, which number shall I pick? How about? Let me see. 2, 5, 1. We have a 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row. For the numbers, 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row below 3, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this second column. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. It should be there. 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 and 2 is missing, and a 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Then 1, yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, and look, we have a 1 and a 6 in this column, so no 1, 6, and 6 in this box. The 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have a 1 and 8 in the last column. So no 1 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in this column. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8. And the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 4. We have a 5 and a 4 in this column, so no 5 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. The 5 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 4, 5 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4. It goes there. 2, 7. Then. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 there, so no 1 in this box. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 1. Then. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the second row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the third column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 2. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there, and all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 4. 1 box left in this third row. 4 number, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this third column. No 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in the second column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Finished in 11 minutes. Told you, need to move faster than 13 or 14 minutes. And we solved this in 11 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the heavy Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.